You want to go to Moab?
What?
Easter Jeep Safari? Let's go.
Sam, what are you doing? Thank you. Appreciate that.
2 hours out. Probably
8:30.
8:30. And then we need to unload. And we have a 7 a.m. trail. It is 5:30 a.m. We've only been asleep for 2 hours, so no one wants to wake up. Fast forward 1 hour. We are now in the parking lot. We're still on time at this moment. Officially on our way to the gas station.
We're officially on our way to move 12 feet. Same. I know.
New tires, new wheels. Look at everyone.
We're all ratchet.
Chuck, your best friend's here.
Hey there. What's up, Keep the guy behind you in sight. If you have dust lights, use them.
Well, if that's not sad. I'm not sure what is. Did you do this? They're back. They fixed it before I could even film. New one. All installed.
All right.
Let's go to Bridget. Hey Carlos, why are we way at the back of this line? 'Cause Sammy broke the Jeep. Officially calling it quit season on Bridget Canyon day 1. Fuel pump, I keep saying fuel filter. Fuel pump. We're behind like 50 people.
70. Oh.
My dude, what'd you do to your seats? Oh my god!
Bro, you don't see covers? I do. I gave him the Matt Varela.
Oh no!
My goodness, bro.
Dakota has his snow footwear on. Chuck has his snow footwear on.
Yeah, I mean. I love the morning Moab views.
Morning Moab view. Heck yeah.
Oh, really? I bet it all in.
What trailer are we doing today, my dudes?
We're doing Metal Masher.
Metal Masher. We're gonna go mash metal and then we're gonna go find a rad cliff somewhere.
Rated trail? That scares me.
What are we doing, Eric?
We're getting ready to cook some tri-tips, man.
What overlook is this? Just Metal Masher overlook?
Metal Masher overlook.
Ooh, where are we?
So we are at the entrance to one of my favorite trails, Hell's Revenge. So EJS is finally popping off for me. It's crazy already. There's lots of people finally arriving. But my friends here have never done anything in Moab. They haven't done Hell's Revenge. Carlos,
Katie.
So they haven't done this trail before. One of my favorites, and one of my favorite things to do is show people new trails. And this is one of my personal favorites. So let's get it going.
Super excited.
Yeah, I'm overly pumped.
Are you nervous or excited? Have you driven on slick rock, like stuff like this yet before?
Yes, I have.
Excellent.
So I'm excited.
Sweet.
Carlos has not though, not like this, not big spine.
Don't drive off the side, Carlos, please.
Well, someday I'll live my life. up, folks. A couple more bumps, a little more slick rock, and we're to the gate.
Sweet.
Just from memory. We are at the Jeeps of Instagram meetup over at Grandpa's Garage, put on by Off Grid. Our buddy Ali invited us out, and we are leading the night run tonight. It's another thing I was really excited to do. There's a bunch of people I see and talk to online, and some of them met, some of them I haven't, so I'm really excited to get inside, check it out, say hi. So,
Okay.
I have with me
We
the one and
finally
only
found her.
Mischief Maker.
What's up?
Finally found her.
This is Holly. How's EJS going?
EJS this year is fantastic. The town is packed.
It is.
It is super cool. Everything is almost back to normal.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
It's been a blast. It's been fun. It's been really cold though.
It has been. It's been
been
abnormal. Like we
cold.
just talked about that. This is what I
woke
brought. This is my cold blood.
Jelly! What's up, guys? What's up? How are you? How's EJS so far?
So far, so good. It's been a blast.
Super fun. This is looking real weird. Like, and then we started to lean. I'm like, that doesn't. I'm not ringing at all. Like, yeah. We just kept leaning more. I'm like, yeah. I've been here. And no black marks. I'm like, okay, we've got issues.
Chuck Converse right here. Listen, I know we're making this happen. Just want to say thank you. Appreciate you taking time out. Everyone coming out. Thanks, guys.
Milestone party at Moab Ice. Here we come. Ready, Ghost? Yes. One of my other favorite Jeeps is here. Look at this. Look at this. Did you just say the same exact thing I said?
What?
That's one of your favorite Jeeps?
Oh, yes.
I was zooming the video on that Jeep when you said that, I'm pretty sure.
Hardcore, hands down, top 5 favorite Jeeps ever built, manufactured, fabbed, whatever. That is top 5.
That's how I know we're meant to be together.
He's doing some video stuff. So I'm gonna take the pink up.
I'm excited. I'm excited about this trail.
What are we doing today?
King Creek. Lots of water crossings. We're in the bottom of the canyon. Should be lots of green because it's still in the spring.
Can we talk about the dirt that's on top of her forehead?
Real cool, Sam.
Wayne, how many water crossings do we have?
50 now.
50 now. 50 water crossings. Woohoo! About done with King Creek. I don't
been a
even
long
think
day.
we've talked together on camera
been a
today
long day.
at all.
It's been a long day.
Huge group, great time. Tell you more later.
Yeah.
What happened to your brother?
Too tired to eat it.
Oh no. Last day.
I'm smiling. It's gonna be a good day. We're with a bunch of rad people, and we're gonna go do something special.
German Shepherd or Mountain Goat?
Same. Come here.
Following you, Nate?
Yeah, we're just
Okay.
gonna go right up the slope track.
Somebody wasn't going.
It's a good trail, right?
You can tell why they were here.
Yeah.
Shade and water.
No. Okay, round 2. Let's try that again. So we are currently in Bloody Hands
Hands
Cave.
Cave.
You can see, actually, they're right there.
Outside of Moab.
There's several other ones, but this is amazing.
Yeah. Super
This
rad
is
spot.
the absolute best way to cap off a Moab trip. We're heading home tomorrow.